The human midbrain is one of the 6 brain regions, and it is important not only for the fiber tracts which pass through it, but also the clusters of soma, the nuclei, which coordinate a number of processes, including both sensory and motor functions. The midbrain is not unique to humans, however. It is found in all vertebrate brains. And the vertebrate midbrains are homologous in the nuclei they possess, their fiber tracts, their separation into regions, the layering of cells in the tectum, the neurotransmitters produced, the catecholamines, the gene expression patterns, the cell types, and even the behaviors which are coordinated, such as visuomotor coordination. Many of the shared homologous aspects of the midbrain go back to the earliest vertebrates, including the retina projecting to the optic tectum, a midbrain locomotor region, the production of catecholamine neurotransmitters, the locations of cranial nerves 3 and 4, and other nuclei and organizational aspects. Jawed vertebrates share even more aspects of the midbrain, including the coordination of muscles used in locomotion and a number of shared nuclei, such as the red nucleus, locus ceruleus, and the substantia nigra. Osteichthyans and tetrapods further these similarities, such as the red nucleus forming a part of a rubrospinal tract, commissures in the midbrain, a better developed torus semicircularis, and in many of these bony fish and tetrapods, the midbrain performs additional functions, such as being incorporated in lateral line systems or in the perception of electric fields. Although there are aspects of the amniote midbrain which are shared among amniotes, different lineages also specialized the midbrain in different ways, such as the incorporation of the perception of infrared into the optic tectum in some snakes. There are a number of aspects of the midbrain which are shared among mammals, such as the separation of distinct superior colliculi and inferior colliculi in the tectum, separated by a fissure. The inferior colliculi are exposed on the dorsal part of the brain as opposed to being deep to the optic tectum. In primitive mammals, this is actually exposed on the surface of the brain because the cerebrum has not expanded over it. There is increased layering and a number of other shared aspects of the midbrain as well.